welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you're all safe and well and having a great day. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and today I'm bringing you a Poundland haul. Now this is my first Poundland haul of the year, guys. I normally bring you as a first video of the year a Poundland haul. Yesterday I did my undecorate the tree with me and I'm so glad the decorations are down so I can sort of crack on now with the new year. So I picked up some little bargains in Poundland as well. They had items which are half price. You know, so half price, guys. So the first couple of bargains that I picked up, just behind me here, are these gorgeous ceramic white reindeer or stags, and these were reduced down to 50p, okay guys, and they're just really lovely. I just absolutely love them. So that's my first bargain from Poundland. Okay, so next up, you probably would have seen me show these quite often on my Poundland hauls. They are light up bottle stoppers, and these were reduced down to 50p for the pair. So just had to get them because they just work so lovely. You know, if you're just creating a nice ambience in the evening, pop these into a bottle and it just sends out a lovely glow. I just absolutely love these. So 50p for these, absolutely brilliant. Okay, so I had to get those. Okay, so next up I got this wooden cut out Christmas tree. Again, I just absolutely love this. You know, this year, last year I should say, I was really trying to go with the theme of like that rustic kind of neutral kind of look, and because I kind of became ill, it kind of got put onto the back burner. You know, you didn't get to see my tablescape, which I'm really sorry that you didn't get to see that, guys. To be fair, I didn't even do a tablescape. It was just like whatever goes on the day goes, you know. So hopefully this year I can bring you all that kind of Christmassy content, you know, when the time comes. You know, we've got quite a long way to go, haven't we, to be fair. But I just absolutely love the simplicity of this wooden tree. And this is also reduced down to 50p in Poundland. Okay, so the next item, or items I picked up were these desktop calendars. Now, I absolutely love a desktop calendar or a calendar of this kind of size. You know, these were also reduced down to 50p. Okay, so you can have it as a desktop calendar, or you can actually just put a bit of string through there and just have it hanging on your wall, which I've done that in my office. Cause I do like to have a calendar kind of on the wall and keep the desk area free as well. But I actually picked up 2 of these because I just like to have a calendar down in the kitchen, in the drawer, where I can write little notes on, like, you know, school trips and all that kind of thing. I just absolutely love this because of the simplicity of it as well. Simple, black and white text, nice and bold. You know, you really can't go wrong. 50p this was reduced down to, okay? And I've got to say, the quality of the paper is like that photographic kind of paper. You know, it's really good quality paper. Okay, so next up, I'm just going to be pulling things out from this bag, which is, yes, it's a Christmas bag. It's one that I've had from, you know, the beginning of Christmas from Poundland. It's actually a bit ripped there now, but I'm still keeping it to store these little bits in, you know. But yeah, so the next item that I picked up was this colour pen for little Oakley. So this is like the big style pens with the colours. Then when you pull them down, you've got different colours. So it's got purple, blue, green and black. And I'm just going to take it off actually, so I'm going to give it to him anyways. Black, there's red in there as well, and there's orange. It's also got this bit that you can hang around your neck, and it's got this little safety catch there as well, so you know it doesn't get caught up on your child's neck or anything. I might just even cut this off and just have it as a pen for little Oakley, you know. But you've got the option of using it like that as well, okay, as a sort of necklace kind of pen. Okay, so that was also reduced down to 50p. I might actually go back and get some more of these because I didn't think of it before, but these make a really good like little gift to put into a party bag. You know, Oakley's got his birthday coming up, so I always tend to look for items to put into the party bags like this time of the year because everything is reduced. So yeah, I might go back and get a few of these actually. So yeah, so that was 50p. So next up I just got some random, because they sold out of this over the Christmas period, was the brown Parcel tape, the standard one from Poundland. It's absolutely fine, it does the job, and you get 2 rolls of brown sellotape for £1 in Poundland, so I've got that. Okay, so the next item that I picked up in Poundland was this gorgeous Pink Roses disinfectant spray, and this is by Astonish. Now this smells absolutely gorgeous. I smelt it in the shop and I just absolutely loved it. It's really gorgeous fresh kind of smell, you know. And then guys, look at the bottle. Look how they've done the bottle of this. It's very similar to what they've done with the Fabulosas, but I just absolutely love what they've done with this, you know. It's just, this can even go into like a little gift hamper for someone that's just moved into a new home, and you know, they've got to kind of spruce it up a bit. You can put a few cleaning products in there and a few other bits, you know. I mean, the packaging is just so gorgeous as well. So this is a disinfectant spray, and of course it kills 99.9% of germs, and Astonish products are vegan friendly and also cruelty free, and that's why I love them so much. This is 550 milligrams, and this was £1 in Poundland, you know, £1. Absolutely amazing. Yep, so I've got that as well. Okay, what else have I got in here from Poundland? I've got a mixed bag of stuff. Okay, so next up I picked up some Strepsils, 2 boxes of Strepsils, because these have been my go-to since I had this sore throat. And I've got to say, they work really brilliant. I tend to have this like one before I go to sleep at night. The reason why I take it at night as well as like in the morning, because you know, you wake up in the morning, you've got that kind of like frog in your throat kind of feeling. This really shifts it and makes you feel really like soothed, you know. You don't get that soreness, you just got a little bit of a cough, but you haven't actually got the soreness, you know. So I swear by these, absolutely brilliant. I got the honey and lemon ones, and you get 8 in a packet for £1 each in Poundland, okay? So that's absolutely brilliant. They're a lot more expensive in other stores, you know, other than the budget stores. They're normally £1. 8 lozenges for £1, absolutely brilliant. So whilst I was in Poundland looking for, you know, some cold and flu remedies, I also picked up these Lemsips, classic Lemsips. So these are the Lemsip capsules. Cold and flu capsules. They contain paracetamol, so I actually like these because you don't have to take any extra paracetamol. You can just take 2 of these and you're good to go. Okay, so I got that in Poundland, and that was, I think that was £1. It might have been £2 actually, but you get, how many in there? You get 8 capsules as well in here. Okay, and I also picked up the classic Lemsip cold and flu hot drink, well, you know, the one that you kind of mix with hot water, you know. So I got these as well. You get 5 sachets, and I think this was either £1 or it might have been £2 in Poundland. But Poundland have a whole range of cold and flu medicines, you know. So sometimes you go to the pharmacy, they might be a bit more expensive, or there might be a bit of a queue, you know. If you're in Poundland, just pick up, you know, pick up a little stock of, you know, cold and flu, because there is a lot of cold and flu, and as we know, the coronavirus and all that is also lingering around. So it's really good to stock up on these items and have them ready just in case you develop a cold or flu. So yeah, so those 2 are absolutely must-haves. Okay, so next up I picked up some items for my office, because I'm gonna be kind of revamping my office, or kind of restyling it, I would say. I'm going with the neutral colours, you know. So Poundland have these lovely stationery items. Okay, now this is a box file. You can put all your A4 papers in there, your documents, and I just absolutely love the simplicity of it. Again, this was actually just £1 in Poundland, which is just absolutely amazing. I've actually got one of these already, which is jam-packed with paperwork from last year, which I need to go through and declutter it and all that. But I picked up another one because I saw it in Poundland, and amazing value for £1, you know? So don't underestimate Poundland, guys, for stationery items. They're really, really good. Okay, so I've got that. To go with that, I also picked up an A4 notebook with 50 sheets, and it's got 80 GSM pages. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's actually lined. Oh, it should be lined if it's a notebook, isn't it? Again, I just like the simplicity of it. It's got this lovely spiral bound going down the side there, and then that natural recycled paper. I just absolutely love this. But those 2 together are gonna look really nice in my revamped office. Okay, so that's going to be another video coming up on the channel very soon. I'm looking to do it towards just sort of the end of January going into February, or you know, sometime this year before the spring anyway. So yeah, so I've got those 2, and I forgot to say this was also £1. Okay, so the next item I picked up was for little Oakley, and it's the Spider-Man gloves. Now this is part of the Pep and Co range, of course, in Poundland, and these came in at £2. I got them in a size small for him. I think they're going to fit him. I mean, even if they're a little bit oversized, it's still okay, you know. But yeah, I'm sure he's going to love these. And then the last item that I picked up, guys, was in the kitchen department in Poundland. Now they've brought out a whole new range of bamboo items, very similar to what they had last year, but they've taken it up a notch, you know, because they've added like a blackboard feature to the containers and the jars and the items. You know, I just think they're absolutely brilliant. So I saw this in there, and it's a serving board. Okay, so the wooden part is bamboo, and then this part here is slate. So on the picture just there, I don't know if you can see that. On the picture just there, they've got cheese and crackers going on. So I thought I can actually recreate that with myself and hubby on the evening. We do like to snack on like crackers and cheese and nuts and that in the evening time watching a movie. So yeah, so I got this, and I think this was actually £2 in Poundland. It's quite heavy. It's 12 by 40 centimeters in size. So I think the whole, you know, the whole length to the handle here is 40 centimeters, and then the width is 12 centimeters. The slate is actually removable, and then like I said before, the wooden area is made from bamboo. So yeah, Poundland have brought out a whole new range of bamboo accessories, and they're just absolutely amazing. This is my last item, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos, okay? So take care, guys. Enjoy the weekend. Stay safe, and I shall see you very soon. Bye.